So I'm here with James Gonte with Wing Home Inspections. James, you've been in Florida for, I think, 35 years doing home inspections?
That's correct. That's correct, Michael.
We met through what was the original Roof Maxx challenge.
Correct.
Almost 4 years ago.
That's correct.
On this property.
4 years ago, I was doing some research. My roof, I bought this house in 2019. It was already 20 years old. And it wasn't leaking. Why should I replace it? So I was searching and searching. I came to Roof Maxx. I found Roof Maxx online. September 2019, we treated this house right here, and the hurricane just passed by here in Sebring, Florida, and we're not even missing one shingle.
Right.
So the product really works. I'm a believer.
Yeah, I remember originally we had a group of inspectors. At the time, before the roof was treated,
Correct.
the roof was shot.
That's correct.
It was at the end of its life. It was not flexible.
Correct. When I bought this house, I don't do inspections on the houses that I buy for investment properties.
Yeah.
I had Mr. Wayne Collier, a local home inspector in this area, and he killed the roof. He said it was shot. It was dried out. He says, James, just replace it. I go, I'm not replacing a roof that's not leaking. It's not going to happen.
Yeah.
So that's where I found Roof Maxx. Even Wayne, the inspector, couldn't believe the results.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. And here we are 4 years later, made it through Hurricane Ian. Now it was only about a Cat 1 or 2 when it came through here.
Correct, that's correct.
Yeah, Fort Myers is an hour, 2 hours.
Not one shingle blew off.
Yeah.
So that's
Awesome.
great. I'm really happy.